Welcome to Careers with Kriti YouTube channel. My name is Kriti Shroff and I bring to you my third video in the series to decode new education policy for higher education. In our previous video, we had talked about the new education policy making an impact on the school education system. In this video, we are going to talk about the changes and the impact on higher education system. In the current system, each university and college conducts its own examination. In my experience, I have seen grade 12 students toil over one entrance examination after the other. And if a student wants to keep an option open for two different courses, the number of examinations could go up to even 12 or 15. This is indeed a huge challenge as the preparation required for each course differs. The new education policy implements a common aptitude test for all courses, including engineering, medicine, BBA, law, design, psychology, and many others, along with the specific subject test for a particular field. For example, if a student wants to appear for engineering, he will have to give common aptitude test along with subject tests for physics, chemistry, and maths. For medicine, it would be common tests along with physics, chemistry, and bio. And for management, it could be just the common test. And hence, this policy simplifies the admission criteria and the entrance examination. And this policy recommends all public and private universities to start accepting the same test to simplify the whole process and bring ease to the students. This initiative is a welcome move and absolutely a replica for this SAT examination used by the US. Given the 21st century requirements, quality higher education must aim to develop good, thoughtful, well-rounded, and creative individuals. For the purpose of developing holistic individuals, this policy envisions a complete overhaul and re-energizing of the higher education system. By ending the fragmentation of higher education and transforming higher education institutions into large multidisciplinary universities and colleges. This would help build vibrant communities of scholars and peers, break down harmful silos, enable students to become well-rounded across disciplines including artistic, creative, and analytic subjects, and as well as sports, and develop active research communities across disciplines including multidisciplinary areas and research. There are a couple of students who have to take a break in their education due to some personal or other reasons. In the current system, if they leave their education in the middle, they exit the university empty-handed. As per the new policy guideline, each year of education will ensure some value, with a certificate on completion of first year, a diploma at the end of 2 years, a bachelor's degree at the end of 3 years, and a bachelor's degree with research at the end of 4 years. Also, the study credits will be deposited in the academic bank of credits so that if the student wants to take a transfer from one university to other, that is possible, or even if the student wants to re-enter the education system or rejoin the university after taking a break of several years, he or she can restart from exactly where he left. Single stream higher education institutions will in particular have to add departments across different fields that would strengthen the single stream that they currently serve. For example, even engineering institutions such as IITs will move towards more holistic and multidisciplinary education and add departments in arts and humanities. New multidisciplinary education and research universities known as MERUs will be added to set up an education standard at par with IITs and IIMs to be role models. All education institutions will have an option to offer online distance learning programs, which will be at the same standard of learning as the on-campus programs. Top institutions accredited for ODL or the online distance learning program will be encouraged and supported to develop high quality online courses. Such quality online courses will be suitably integrated into curriculums of higher education institutions through blended learning mode. This brings us to the end of our third video on changes in higher education system. Please keep sending us your reviews and your questions to help us guide you better. Thank you so much.